In this video, I will show you how to make Instagram story a better quality. Now, if you're capturing your pictures or your videos in real time, all you have to do is to go to camera, click on this icon right here, the settings option, and then click on resolution. Now you have to make sure that the highest possible resolution has been picked out on your camera. Now the next thing we're going to do is to go to Instagram. Click on the profile icon on the lower corner. Click on the three lines on the upper part. And then scroll down. After you scroll down, you will see data usage and media quality. All you have to do is to click on that. You have to make sure that the upload at highest quality is toggled on. It is to make sure that your photos and videos is up to highest quality. And then there you have it. All you have to do is take your picture and make it your story. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.